Meet Tara. She loves going to this cafe for coffee on her regular shopping trips. And this is her favorite Chinese restaurant for dinners with friends or family. And she almost never misses the weekly karaoke night at this funky bar. You probably know Tara or folks like her. Tara shows a lot of love for these places. She'd like to get some love back too. Maybe free Wi-Fi at that cafe, free appetizers at the Chinese place, or get to kick off karaoke at the bar. Sounds great, but how? Twist now makes it possible to get much more out of visiting your favorite places. On Twist, restaurants, cafes and pubs can now create reward programs which only their regular customers have access to and award VIP status to those folks who love them most. The Twist recommendation engine then ensures that users see the most relevant and personalized programs at any time. On the Twist app, Tara now looks up the latest and most relevant offers from her regular hangouts and other places nearby. She decides where to go and checks in to let them know she's there. Once she qualifies, Tara can enjoy those special rewards she deserves. Tara also uses Twist to recommend offers to her friends and gift rewards, and in turn learns about great new places from them. So, Tara goes out just like she used to earlier, but has a lot more fun doing so. You can now enjoy the Twist life too. Sign up now at twist.in.